Here is my latest journey, Menthol Pedicure Balms. Welcome back. This is Genesis with Sozo Education and Beauty Supply, and I am very excited to introduce to you the Menthol Pedicure Balms. This journey started out about a year ago when a group that I'm a part of was doing a group buy for menthol and made me dive into this ingredient a little bit more and the products that other people were making with it. There was a bath salt that was designed for the pedicure tubs, and this was kind of along the lines of someone doing this for themselves at home to have a smaller foot bath. And you could put a couple tablespoons of the salt in there, and it would help to invigorate and calm your nerves with the properties that menthol has to offer. So my thought was, why not put it into a pedicure balm? Making sure you need to do proper labeling with everything, because totally people could just think that these could go straight into the bathtub, and you do not want to do that because all of your nether regions will not be very happy about that. So I chose this foot mold so it would kind of lead people more to understanding that it is for your feet, as well as all of the labeling that is going to come with these will be very specific for people to understand that this is just for your feet. And I think the amount of this particular mold is perfect for a pedicure bath balm and cute. So menthol specifically, if you do some research on the properties and why it would be good into a foot pedicure bath balm, let's say you had someone like a dancer, a ballet dancer, or someone who was on their feet all the time, it is going to help to heal any cracks or irritations within the skin, as well as be very good for sore and tired feet. So now we come to the ratios. In all of my research, there was very few guidelines that I found from various different manufacturers on the percentage of use that would be suggested for a product type like this. So I started off doing a smaller percentage into my already pedicure bath mixture that I use, and that was 1.39. I made up a ton of them, and I just did some experimenting with my clients, and on average I needed 2 to 3 for them to feel like they were receiving benefit from the tablet size that I was using. So I then made another batch and increased it to 2.74%. And with that one, it definitely did better, but I found more often than not that I was still using 2 of them before they found that they were getting some type of relief or a difference, I guess, in what I normally would soak them with and this. So this is hopefully my final testing phase with this. And the percentage I'm using is 5.33 in relation to my normal pedicure bath balm mix. So I hope that helps to be able to give those who want to try the menthol some type of starting point, but I would highly suggest that you do some testing on your own so that you understand how this is going to feel on your feet, and maybe offer a milder strength and then an extra strength version of this, and list all of the ingredients or the menthol, the properties of this onto your website or on the packaging, so that it will give people a good idea of what to expect from a product like this. And with this mold, it is definitely like super easy to use, and these little toesies are so cute. I cannot express. I'm definitely a fan of the hybrid mold, so it made this whole thing really easy. I chose to not do any type of embeds in there because I really wanted the focus to be able to be the hydration and more so, healing aspect of the thought of what this bath bomb would be. So I hope this helps you to be able to have a starting point if you wanted to do your own menthol pedicure balms. And if you have any tips, say some of you that are listening to this have had your own experience with menthol and have any advice on different percentages to use or how better to incorporate it, please absolutely share. Let's start a conversation, because I was really surprised at how little information that I found with it. And I really want to make sure that anything that I'm going to be selling is going to be useful for the end customer. So let's get together and share all the knowledge that we have gotten from our own testing. If you need one of these molds, I will put the link into the description box. My bath bomb recipe is still the same as it always has been, that I had gotten from Jerica. So it is on her YouTube page listed as well, if you would like to refer to that. Thank you for following me on my journey, and I hope you are growing as well as I am. Have a great day and happy making.